All right, and let's check out some of the cool features of the back. Right in here, right off the bat, first off, you have bolt holders for your door hinges, your roof, and your windshield. You can lower the windshields on these as well. Right past there, you push in here, pull up, and your jack assembly and all your stuff's going to be right there. Your toolkit to take everything apart. And you do have an extra storage bin. If you have the top down, it does have a drain plug, so it can drain out if water does get in there. It's right here. Fold. Jeepers. Seat does fold all the way up. Gives you extra space and kind of opens up to where it's easier to reach your bolts to take the vehicle off, or the top off.
Cool.
All right, it does have pickups back here and on the top back there as well. So if you do need to use your SOS or assist, it will pick up the voice a whole lot easier on top of a 12-volt DC charger that pulls from the battery right here.